sex differentiation, and sex-reversed individual.
Hey, what's up? Today we are going to talk about sex differentiation and sex reverse individuals. But before delving into this topic, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Rona Jan Jerusalem Sabanol, a BS in Science student. And so, without further ado, let's commence. Sex differentiation is a biological process that determines the development of an individual as a male or female. The process is initiated at the moment of fertilization and continues throughout fetal development. The determination of sex is dependent on the presence of specific genes and hormonal signals during development. However, in some cases, the normal process of sex differentiation can be disrupted, leading to sex reverse individuals. Sex reversal is a condition where a person's sex chromosomes, gonads, or external genitalia do not align with the typical male or female patterns. This can lead to various physical and psychological challenges for individuals who identify as sex reverse. So, let's dive deeper about sex differentiation and sex reverse individuals and understand it better.
Sex differentiation.
At the moment of conception, our genes determine our sex. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, including one pair of sex chromosomes which determine whether an individual will be male or female. Males have XY chromosomes, while females have XX chromosomes. The egg from the mother always carries an X chromosome, while the sperm from the father can carry either an X or a Y chromosome. The determination of sex begins as early as fertilization. If the sperm carrying an X chromosome fertilize the egg, the resulting offspring will be female. On the other hand, if the sperm carrying a Y chromosome fertilize the egg, the resulting offspring will be male. Although sex is thought to be simple concept, there are instances where XX and XY chromosome are not sufficient to fully explain it. To gain a better understanding of this, let's revisit the field of biology. Nowadays, researchers are discovering further intricacies in the biological compression of sex. In the beginning, embryo is genderless. Every embryo has the potential to form both male and female genitalia. The organs will eventually differentiate to become either male or female sex organs. That means that all our sex organs come from the same foundation. The phallus will develop into either a penis or clitoris, and the genital folds will develop into either scrotum or labia. Inside the abdomen, the gonads will become either testes or ovaries, and there are two sets of genital ducts. One set is the Mullerian ducts. They will either degenerate or develop into the fallopian tubes, the uterus, and the upper part of the vagina. Another set is the Wolffian ducts. They will either develop into epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, and ejaculatory ducts or degenerate. But we can clearly distinguish boys and girls just by looking between their legs. What's the work here? The SRY gene found on the Y chromosome trigger embryonic development as a male. The process begins at week 7. SRY gene activates signaling production of male. It makes the gonad turn into testes. The testes secrete male hormones, the most important of which is the testosterone, the big T, and anti-Mullerian hormone or EMH. testosterone will cause the phallus to develop penis and make the Wolffian ducts develop into epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, and ejaculatory ducts. AMH will stop the uterus and fallopian tubes, developing as genetically female embryo does not. As genetically female embryo does not have the S or I gene, gonads will turn into ovaries. Without testosterone and AMH, female organs will develop. Changes to any of this process can cause disorder of sex development, or DSDS, formerly termed intersex conditions. While chromosome determines sex, hormones can affect fetal sex development. The most common intersex condition is a hormone variation. In conclusion, sex differentiation is a complex process that begins at the moment of conception and involves the interplay of genes, hormones, and other biological factors. While most individuals develop as either male or female, there are instances where X, X, and XY chromosome are not sufficiently to fully explain sex differentiation. The development of sex organs from a genderless involves the differentiation of the phallus, genital folds, gonads, and genital duct, which can be affected by various genetic and environmental factors. These orders of sex development, or DSDs, are conditions that arise when there is disruption to these processes, leading to a typical development of reproductive system.
Sex reversed individuals.
Sex-reverse individuals, often misunderstood as stigmatized in our society. But what is sex-reverse individuals or sex reversal? Sex-reverse individuals or sex reversal is a term used to describe a range of conditions where person biological sex is not typical male or female. This condition can occur due to variety of genetic, hormonal, or environmental factors. Types of sex reversal. There are different types of sex chromosomes abnormalities that can result in sex reverse individuals, such as Turner syndrome or 45X, Klinefelter syndrome or 47XXY, and 47XYY syndrome. Then Turner syndrome occurs in females and is characterized by the absence of one of the two X chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome occurs in males and is characterized by the presence of an extra X chromosome. 47XYY syndrome occurs in males and characterized by the presence of an extra Y chromosome. Challenges faced by sex-reverse individuals. Sex-reverse individuals often face a lot of stigma, discrimination, and isolation due to lack of understanding and awareness about their condition. They may experience physical discomfort, emotional distress, and social exclusion due to their unique situation. Support and resources for sex-reverse individuals. Fortunately, there are several organizations, support groups, and medical professionals that offer help, guidance, and resources for sex-reverse individuals. These resources can help individuals cope with their condition, find community, and access appropriate medical care. Advocacy and education. It is important to advocate for the rights of sex-reverse individuals and educate others about their condition by raising awareness and promoting understanding. We can help reduce the stigma and discrimination faced by sex-reverse individuals. In conclusion, sex reversal is a complex and often misunderstood condition that affects individuals in various ways. It is important to acknowledge and understand the challenges faced by sex-reverse individuals and to provide them with the support and resources they need to lead to fulfilling lives. By promoting promoting awareness and education, we can help and create a more inclusive and accepting society for everyone. So, that's a wrap of my report about sex differentiation and sex reverse individuals. I hope you learned something new today.